Hey guys, today let's learn how to text to video AI generator for free. So if you guys would like to go ahead and have a specific text to video AI, or rather text to video generator using AI for free, in this video tutorial I'm going to teach you guys how to do this step by step. So please watch this video until the end to find out just how. Alright you guys, so what we need to do first is to actually utilize a specific application for us to create an AI generated videos just by using some text. So one of the best AI generated videos or AI video generators that we could actually use online is a website called Synthesia.io. So just go ahead and type on Synthesia.io, and that's going to take you to their website. So from here, we can actually go ahead and try to access their website and use their AI software to create our own free AI generated video. So just tap on create a free AI video, and all we need to do is enter our preferred script. Of course, the first step is to choose our video template from this list, and I'm going to choose this complement one, and I'm going to go ahead and type in my quick video script for this, but then I guess that default one will do, and tap on generate free AI video. Of course, we do need to go ahead and enter our personal details so that we could go ahead and log in or provide our data to Synthesia. From there, just tap on generate free video, and that should be good to go. Now that's all for this video. Your free video that is going to be generated via AI will be sent to you and generated on the website, and that's how you guys do the text to video AI generator for free. Thank you guys for watching. Please like this video and subscribe as well if you guys learned something, and I'll see you guys on the next video.